Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your Windows computer crashes after waking up from sleep mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the display adapter section by double clicking on it, and then right click on whatever driver is listed under here, and you want to select uninstall device, select uninstall, and now you want to go ahead and actually close out of everything and then restart your system. So now hopefully you should be good to go at this point, honestly. Hopefully it should have automatically updated the driver. If not, you can go onto the website of your display adapters manufacturer and go ahead and actually download the drivers from their website, or if they have an automated utility, go ahead and just select that and it should automatically download and install the drivers applicable for your system. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.